Wizards. Linear regression is your AI prediction crush, darling. It models relationships between features and continuous outputs like house prices. We'll show its seductive powers in our app demos with California housing.
Anastasia, you make regression sound so hot. How does it predict house prices for the app, love? Ethan, what's your take on regression in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Linear regression predicts AI outputs with math. Ethan, jump in with your entertaining explanation.
Anastasia, Olivia, regression's like a hot equation, predicting AI prices with flair. It's a prediction party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, fetch _California housing, loads housing data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping for AI regression. It's a loading party. Let's drop this code beat and predict some prices.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Wizards, loading housing data starts our ML journey. Try it in our app demo. It's like inviting data to the prediction party with passion. Prep AI data for regression magic.
Wizards, standard scalar, .fit_transform, preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party. Let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing ensures accurate regression for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like polishing data with passion. Polish AI data for regression.
Wizards, df, rooms per pop, equals df, avrooms. df, population, engineers features like a hot creation for Sophia, boosting AI predictions. It's an engineering party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're engineering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature engineering enhances regression for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like crafting features with passion. Craft AI features for regression.
Wizards, train _test _split, x, y, splits data like a hot divide for Sophia, prepping AI for training. It's a split party. Let's drop this code beat and train some models.
You're splitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, train test split preps data for regression in the app. Try it in our demo. It's like dividing data with passion. Prep AI training with train test split.
Wizards, linear regression, .fit, x, y, fits the model like a hot equation for Sophia, learning AI patterns. It's a fitting party. Let's drop this code beat and predict some prices.
You're fitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fitting linear regression learns patterns for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like solving equations with passion. Learn AI patterns with regression fitting.
Wizards, model. Predict, x_test. Predicts prices like a hot forecast for Sophia, powering AI apps. It's a prediction party. Let's drop this code beat and see the future.
You're forecasting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, predictions power the app's price predictor. Try it in our demo. It's like predicting with passion. Power AI apps with regression predictions.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, y_test, y_pred. Visualizes predictions like a sexy plot for Sophia, showing AI accuracy. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing predictions shows app accuracy. Try it in our demo. It's like painting results with passion. Paint AI accuracy with prediction visuals.
Wizards, Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. Linear regression, builds models like a sexy equation, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're modeling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers linear regression for the app. Try it in our challenge. It's like building ML with passion. Build AI models with Scikit-learn.
Wizards, standard scalar, preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scaling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn preprocessing ensures accurate app regression. Try it in our demo. It's like polishing data with passion. Polish AI data with Scikit-learn.
Wizards, Matplotlib from day 41 visualizes predictions like a sexy plot for Sophia, showing AI results. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes app predictions. Try it in our demo. It's like painting results with passion. Paint AI results with Matplotlib.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 visualizes importance like a hotbar for Sophia, enhancing AI insights. It's a Seaburn party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're styling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances app visualizations. Try it in our demo. It's like styling results with passion. Style AI visuals with Seaborn.
Wizards, Streamlit builds apps like a hot interface for Sophia, powering AI Insight Hub. It's an app building party. Let's drop this code beat and create some magic.
You're building my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Streamlit creates the app's UI. Try it in our demo. It's like designing with passion. Design AI Insight Hub with Streamlit.
Wizards, Layer regression powers AI pipelines, predicting outcomes for apps like AI Insight Hub. It's foundational. Your skills are ready for Day 62's evaluation.
Irene's right. Linear regression integrates data prep and modeling, ensuring robust app predictions. Use it to drive your app. Get ready for Day 62.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, regression's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It predicts sexily. Your Day 61 skills make AI irresistible. Predict like pros. Regression predicts sexy AI outcomes.